This message might stretch you, encourage you, and may even correct you, but it will bless you.
Family, welcome back to God's Path to
Hello.
Purpose. Today's message carries weight.
Yes.
We're talking about something that shaped every part of your life, your focus. Not your goals, not your schedule, but your spiritual focus. Who has your attention? Who shapes your thoughts? Who guides your direction?
Because when God is truly your focus, everything in your life finds alignment. Your peace, your relationship, your choices, your identity, your purpose. This message might stretch you, encourage you, and may even correct you, but it will bless you.
Many people don't realize is this. The enemy is not just after your faith, he's after your focus. Why? Because whatever has your focus eventually has your future.
The enemy knows he can't steal your salvation, but he will try to steal your consistency, your prayer life, your discipline, your confidence, your peace. And he does it subtly because not all distractions look sinful. Now, some distractions may look harmless, even good, but they still pull you away from God.
The devil doesn't need to destroy you if he can just simply distract you.
We've grown so used to spiritual noise that we don't even recognize it anymore. Scrolling, overthinking, people pleasing, worrying, comparing, carrying burdens that God never asked us to carry.
Distractions become normal when you forget what real peace feels like. And some of you watching, it's been so long since you sat in God's presence that the noise feels comfortable. But God is calling you back, not to religion, not to routine, but to relationship.
Life hits different when you're not centered in God. Small things irritate you, uncertainty scares you, and people drain you. Your mind becomes your battleground.
But when God becomes the center again, you stop living from your emotions and start living from His truth. You stop reacting to everything and you start resting. You stop trying to carry everything and you start letting go of everything. You stop reacting and you start resting. You stop trying to hold on to everything and you start releasing everything.
This is why scripture says in Colossians 3 and 2, set your mind on things above, not earthly things. God isn't telling you to ignore life. He is telling you, don't let the temporary steal your attention from the eternal.
We mentioned Peter before, but let's go deeper. When Peter walked on water, he performed the miracle. The real miracle wasn't his feet, it was his focus. As long as he stayed locked in on Jesus, he walked above the storm.
But the second he looked at the wind and waves, he sank. Not because the storm grew stronger, not because Jesus walked away, but because his focus shifted.
Some of you aren't sinking because the storm is stronger. You're sinking because your focus got weaker. But Jesus is still reaching and saying, look at me again.
Peace isn't the absence of problems, it's the presence of God. You can have chaos around you and calmness within you when your mind is stayed on Him.
Isaiah 26 and 3 says, He will keep in perfect peace for those whose mind are stayed on Him. Perfect peace, not partial peace, not temporary peace, not emotional peace. Perfect peace, because real peace is a fruit of focus.
As a married couple, we have learned that when we both focus on God, that we fight less with each other and more for each other.
Because God becomes the filter, the anchor, the standard. But when we lose focus, small things feel big. But when God is in the center, even big things feel conquerable.
A God-focused marriage has arguments, but it also has grace. It has misunderstandings, but it also has mercy. It has pressure, but it also has protection.
Here are 3 God-given strategies to refocus. 1. Slow down. Busyness is one of the enemy's favorite distractions. 2. Make room for God daily, not out of duty, out of desires. 3. Guard your attention. Be mindful of what feeds your spirit and what drains it.
Sometimes the biggest act of spiritual warfare is deciding, I will not give my attention to anything that will pull me away from God. Speak this with us. God, my focus is returning. My mind is aligning. My spirit is strengthening. My eyes are on you. Lead me, Lord. I trust you.
Family, realignment is happening. Freedom is happening. God is restoring your focus, your peace, and your direction.
We love you.
Stay focused, stay faithful, and stay on God's path to purpose.